Machine, I'm not right. See the will just grow up in these trying times. We're not trying. So go ahead, summer's not night. I'm always waiting for you just to come to the room. Rebels roll the dice, just with their eyes. Probably you'll be the last to know.
Okay, well, while waiting for the others, it's okay ya. Jadi sudah ada 3 orang, so there are 3 people already here. So I guess it will be better if we start the class. So let me start the class, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So good evening, everyone.
Salam. Good evening, Miss.
Okay, so well, thank you for coming to the class. This is our first meeting in our class, yeah. So we will have for about 3 months, I guess, for the classes. First and foremost, I guess I would like to introduce myself here. Even I have introduced myself via WhatsApp group, but I guess it's still important to introduce myself. Well, my name's Devi Purmayanti. As you can see, my name's there on the, like on the name. So you just can address me as Devi, bisa dipanggil Devi aja. So I am originally from East Java, dari Jawa Timur. And I have just graduated from Monash University Australia, mastering in TESOL. Kebetulan baru lulus S2 di Monash University Australia, jurusan TESOL. Jurusan TESOL itu quite similar to English Education Department, everyone. Jadi hampir sama seperti pendidikan bahasa Inggrisnya. And then currently I am teaching online classes like TOEFL, IELTS, and speaking. And I'm here with you for several months coming up. Jadi untuk membersamai teman-teman belajar bahasa Inggrisnya gitu ya selama beberapa meeting ke depan. And feel free to just share with me about English in general, or you wanna share everything with me kayak gitu ya. Jadi itu mungkin, and if you may ask me, Jawa Timurnya di mana? Jadi Jawa Timurnya itu di Situbondo, jadi quite, like in the eastern of East Java, dekatnya Banyuwangi, Bali, perbatasan kayak gitu. Jadi quite close to that one. Okay, so that's a brief introduction about me. So hopefully that we can learn together well. Hopefully that we can, you can improve your English well, and I can help you to improve your English well during the classes for sure. And yeah, that's a simple introduction. So the next one mungkin kita perkenalan satu-satu dulu ya. Jadi ke Miss Era, Miss Puput, Miss Yasinta gitu. Because I wanna know about you. So yeah, you have to tell me about yourself gitu ya. So maybe the first one boleh dari or anyone, ada yang mau nyoba perkenalan dulu? Ya simple nama mungkin, kemudian kesibukan sekarang, kemudian harapan-harapannya nanti. Bisa pakai bahasa Inggris, bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia, atau mau mix nggak apa-apa, feel free gitu ya. So anyone want to introduce yourself first? Ada yang mau volunteer atau mau saya coba langsung random pick one of you? Yeah. Anyone?
Can I?
Oh, sure, Kak Puput, Miss Puput. Oke, silahkan. Ya, please. Time is yours.
Okay, good evening, everyone.
Mhm.
My name Puput Rahmadani. You can call me Puput.
Oke, Miss Puput.
I'm currently living in Kebumen.
Kebumen, oke.
Yes, and I'm admin of for SBC for around 10 months.
Oke.
And what else?
Oke.
My dad is maybe I can tell my dad is in SBC. So my dad is including communicating with clients, creating quotation, contract, application form, and helping client to process the certification.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
that's it.
Cool. All right. I mean, your job is quite amazing. Like, it's pretty cool. So I can call you Miss Puput, yeah? Miss Puput,
Yeah.
is that right? All
Yeah,
right.
sure.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Puput, for the introduction. Nice to see you, and hopefully you can enjoy the class, yeah, during several months coming up.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
No worries, Miss Puput. Okay, the next one, maybe another one. Miss Era atau Miss Nasihatul Hamimah atau Miss Yasinta? Anyone can introduce yourself, please. A brief introduction.
Ya, halo Miss.
Hai, who's that? Kak Yasinta, boleh Miss Yasinta ya? Time is yours,
Ya,
please. Yourself.
oke. My name is Yacinta Martiani. You can call me Cinta.
Oh, Cinta. Gitu ya.
Iya.
Cinta. Alright.
I'm working at SPC in ICC section. No, I in Banyuwangi, Miss. That
Oh,
is
Banyuwangi.
meeting in Banyuwangi. Yeah.
Okay, we are neighbor then, yeah? Yeah, pretty close.
Yeah.
Okay. But are you now in Banyuwangi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So you work online?
Yeah, online. In here, I am meeting in Banyuwangi
Oh, meeting.
until yeah, yesterday until tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow, just for 3 days, yeah?
Yeah.
After finish meeting, you will be back?
Yes. I'm go home, but I'm lewat lewat lewat
Huh?
Bali pulangnya.
Oh, okay, you will pass Bali, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you will pass Bali. Okay, all right then. So you will take the flight?
Yeah, right.
Probably the flight.
Tomorrow I'm nyebrang lewat
You will cross over?
port Ketapang.
Ketapang. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. Cool. So, how long have you been working in SBC anyway? Kalau tadi kan Miss Puput katanya 10 months, around 10 months gitu ya. So, how about you?
I'm 2 years.
2 years. Oh, okay. All right. 2 years. Okay, cool. So, Miss Cinta ya. Oh, you have sweet
Yeah.
name. Cinta. All right.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Miss.
No worries. Thank you so much, Miss Cinta, for introducing yourself. Nice to meet you. Hopefully, yeah, you can enjoy the class, yeah, during several months coming up. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
No worries. Okay, so we have Miss Puput and Miss Cinta already. So what about others? Kita ada Miss Era sama Sorry, everyone. Miss Nasihatul Hamimah. So, anyone want to introduce yourself? Miss Era mungkin? Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Erawati. You can call me Era. And currently I live in Gombong, Kebumen. I work I work as one of staff at PT SBC, and I handle tax and SPLK,
Mm.
and I have joined in PT SBC for about 4 years.
4 years, yeah. Well, it's pretty
Yes.
long time, ya, Miss, ya.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
One of the oldest staff in PT SBC.
Okay, okay. How do you feel working in that company for such long time, like 4 years? It's not a short time. So how do you feel? Feel good?
Uh, mm,
Not really.
yeah.
Or just so. Okay. So how do you feel? Good. Still good, yeah? Still okay.
Yeah, still okay. But
Still okay.
sometimes, yeah,
Uh-huh.
got some bored.
Yeah, yeah. Mhm. And what are
Yeah.
you doing
But the
sometimes?
life is must go on.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah,
Mhm.
just
Life
keep it
must-
up. Yeah, recollect
Mhm.
and do my best in PT SBC.
I love that. I love that kind of, like principle that you have. But how do you feel actually? I mean, when you feel bored, what do you do sometimes to kill the boredom that you have? Like, do you,
Just do what is make me happy, like traveling, cooking. Okay.
like doing your hobby, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Because 4 years means like 4 years, oh my goodness, like,
Yes. Like getting bachelor degree.
yeah, already. Like, yeah, like finishing the college already like 4 years. So,
Yeah.
okay, all right then. Okay, so Miss Era, Miss Era, how do I can call you Miss Era, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, all
Nice
right
to meet
then.
you, Miss
Yeah,
Devi.
nice to meet you too, Miss Era. Thank you so much anyway for the introduction. And hopefully you will enjoy the class, yeah, during several months coming up. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so cool, Miss Era. We have 3 people already, like Miss Puput, Miss Cinta, and Miss Era. And what about Miss Nasihatul Hamimah? Are you there? Can you please introduce yourself for a bit?
Hello, good evening, Miss. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, good evening, good evening.
Okay, so my name is Nasyatul Hamimah. You can call me Siha. I'm 24 years old, and I graduated from 11 Mart University with bachelor degree of animal husbandry about 1 year ago. And in this company, I'm a new employee. I get a position of admin for deputy director certification, and I still do my training.
Oh, okay. Still on training now, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, all right then. That's pretty cool though. But how long have you been in training?
I think about 1 week. Yeah.
Just a week. Yeah, still fresh then, yeah? Still
Yeah.
fresh. So are you excited? So what do you feel?
I'm pretty excited
Okay.
because this is the first experience. Experience. Yeah. That.
This experience. Okay, cool. So you are waiting, yeah, for the next moment coming up. Like, oh, do
Yeah.
you still feel excited after
Yeah.
some of, like the drama, probably? We will never know. But hopefully you will enjoy. Hopefully you will enjoy
Yeah.
experience, yeah, working.
I hope so.
Yeah, I mean training there. Okay. So I can call you. Sorry, how do I call you again?
Siha.
Siha, yeah.
Siha.
Okay, see. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. But where are you from? Oh, I forgot. I didn't focus last time. I'm so sorry. My bad.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I lived in Merit, yeah, in Kebumen.
Okay. Okay. All right then. Still in Kebumen, yeah? I mean the place where you work, is it far enough from your home? Or is it quite close?
It's quite far, about 32 kilometers.
Okay, all right then. So you commute, yeah? Go back and forth through your workplace, to your workplace.
Yeah.
All right then. Okay, cool. So, well, that's it. Yeah, Miss Siha, I guess we can call you. We can call you Miss
Okay,
Siha.
okay.
So
Nice to
yeah.
meet you, Miss.
Thank you so much for the introduction. Nice to meet you too, Miss Siha. So hopefully you can enjoy the class through the several months coming up. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, so well, everyone, thank you for coming and thank you for the introduction. Actually, we have 6 participants. Yeah, we have 6 participants, but one of the participants couldn't attend the class because some, like some business actually, and that's totally okay. But I hope everyone, just in case maybe for the next meeting you couldn't attend the class, so please just let me know so we can track your progress, yeah, because I need to track the progress through the meeting. Ya, to just let me know. Jadi kalau misalkan teman-teman nggak masuk, mohon diinformasikan. Kesibukan apapun nggak apa-apa kayak gitu ya. Jadi I hope that I can be your English partner during the next few months coming up. Jadi semoga bisa jadi teman partner dan nggak usah merasa beban ya teman-teman. Kita kelasnya santai, just easy. Like there's the platform for you to improve your English. And I believe that you will have your own purpose in joining the class to improve your English for sure. And your English is pretty cool, everyone. Jadi bahasa Inggris teman-teman itu kayak Miss Puput, Miss Cinta, Miss Era, sama Miss Siha, udah pretty cool ya, udah lumayan bagus. Tinggal kita asah lagi gitu kan, in terms of the fluency, in terms of clarity, in terms of pronunciation, and also vocabulary or grammatical stuff. Kita bedah semuanya. Karena tiap orang kan pasti punya levelnya masing-masing ya. So that's what I'm trying to emphasize on in our meeting. So, well, thank you again for the introduction. Hopefully you enjoy the class. Nah, kita kan kelasnya kurang lebih 60 menit ya. Jadi kayak mungkin 60 menit, 70 menit with the, what is that, like the introduction, kemudian juga while waiting for you to come. Itu kan akan kita tunggu. Tapi to just give you a brief, what is that, like highlight, ini mungkin yang akan saya share ke teman-teman ya. Hopefully you can, what is that, like, oh, not this one, sorry. This one, hang on. I would like to share another screen again. Jadi brief aja teman-teman ya. Jadi just a brief explanation. Biar teman-teman tahu kelasnya mau ngapain aja sih selama beberapa minggu ke depan gitu ya. Jadi biar nggak zonk. Meskipun sebenarnya sama Mr. Boy gitu kan sudah dikasih modul ya, but I would like to give you a brief explanation about what we are currently doing during the class. So how this class will run actually. Actually, we will have for about 60 minutes of the class every single, not every single day, but every single meeting. So we will have 60 minutes and then the 10 minutes, we would like to have the warming up activities. The warming up activities probably could be, like we just can have a short talk or maybe just listening to song atau apapun itu gitu ya. Jadi warming up itu pemanasan di 10 menit di awal. Jadi seperti meeting pertama kita kan jam 8 teng, teman-teman kan masih belum ada yang datang, artinya kan ada yang sudah datang tapi sambil menunggu yang lain. So we will have this kind of activities. Jadi biar nggak jenuh, mungkin saya juga putarkan musik atau mungkin kita ngobrol-ngobrol santai in English gitu ya. Jadi nggak usah dibuat burden. We just want to talk, improve your English just for 10 minutes at the very first time gitu ya. And then the next one maybe I would like to have like 10 minutes to deliver the lesson. Jadi I will just take over the class for about like 5 to 10 minutes in every meeting. Karena kelasnya buat teman-teman, ini wadah untuk teman-teman improve dan saya akan take over. I mean, I would like to observe your speaking, your writing, your listening, or even like your reading skills gitu ya selama kelas. Jadi mungkin saya take over kelas sekitar 10 menit, and then for the 35 minutes or maybe like 30 minutes, we would like to have the English practice and most likely about the speaking. Karena yang teman-teman butuhkan, yang saya dapat laporan dari Boy itu lebih kepada speakingnya, meskipun aspek lain juga akan diperhatikan, tapi major what is that, like aspect that I need to pay attention most that in terms of speaking. So most of the time nanti mungkin kita akan lebih banyak ngobrolnya aja gitu ya, ngobrol in English for sure. We will discuss something in English, and then I would like to give you feedback regarding your English. Jadi feedbacknya itu lebih personal gitu teman-teman ya. Sometimes feedbacknya dari oh my goodness, feedback untuk Miss Puput sama Miss Cinta sama Miss Era sama Miss Siha itu kan bisa jadi berbeda karena mungkin English ability-nya berbeda gitu kan. Jadi I would like to give you feedback personally, meskipun ini kelasnya umum, tapi kan feedbacknya mungkin lebih ke personal karena kan ability-nya beda-beda gitu ya. And then for the rest of the time, if we still got time, we will have the question and answer. Jadi diskusi apapun itu, misalkan teman-teman punya question out of the class and you would like to bring up to the class about the case, so it's totally fine, nggak masalah sama sekali. Jadi teman-teman silakan diskusikan concern apapun atau Miss Devi, I'm really curious to know how to bla bla bla, misalkan penasaran pengen tahu apa gitu ya, atau how to improve this one, for example, how to read this one. So feel free everyone. Jadi jangan sungkan-sungkan, silahkan bawa ke kelas kita diskusikan kayak gitu ya. So that's how do I will run the class. Anyone, is it clear or do you have some questions? Ada yang mau ditanyakan nggak terkait kelasnya nanti seperti apa selama 1 jam ke depan? Teman-teman, ya, you will do this kind of things actually. Dan kita akan belajar integrated skill ya. Jadi nanti akan ada listeningnya juga sedikit, readingnya juga, writingnya juga sedikit, speakingnya juga gitu ya. Jadi 4 skill akan kita singgung semuanya kayak gitu. Even the major thing will be on the speaking for sure. Do you okay with this one? I mean, do you good? Do you feel good? Are you okay, everyone? All good? Atau ada saran atau ada masukan? Any question, any suggestion, any feedback or anything?
Not yet. I think everything is clear. We can
Clear.
continue our lesson.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Thank you so much, Miss Era. Thank you, everyone. So, well, that's how we will run the class, everyone. And we have done our introduction part. Yeah, kita sudah introduction at the very first time. So the next one, I guess we would like to have the module because we have the module here. And I believe that Boy already sent you the module. So let me try to open the module first. Okay. All right. Give me some second, everyone. Oh, here we go. Okay, I would like to share another screen. And here we go. So for today's meeting, actually our agenda is the introduction, and also I would like to have the chapter 1. And before we learn about this one, actually this module contains several aspects like the greeting and introduction, and then daily routines, what time is it, telling about the time, and then campus life, and then your favorite food, and then asking direction. So these contents will be learned by us through several weeks coming up, yeah. But for today, because our topic is just about the introduction, and then here we go for the first chapter is also introduction. Will be about greeting and also introduction. So we will have the listening first, yeah. So we will take into the listening one. I will try to, like play the recording, like the audio for this one for, I guess twice to just let you know, to just make sure that you listen carefully to this one. And then through the listening section, I want you to pay attention into some words that you think you need, like you feel confused about the pronunciation. We just can take a look or listen carefully to the audio or to the recording, ya. Jadi fungsinya untuk teman-teman agar pay attention more to some of the sentences dan bagaimana native itu speak in English for sure, ya. So hang on, I just want to make sure that you can listen to the audio clearly. Kita coba ya. Can you hear that clearly? Can you listen to that clearly? I just want to make sure that the sound is clear enough. Jelas nggak teman-teman? Pretty clear? Thumbs up? Good?
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear, okay. If it is clear, so let's listen to that one first, yeah? So hang on, let me try to play it again.
Introductions. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for G&T Limited as a systems engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junichiro Sekiguchi. I work for Giant Corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I am from Osaka, Japan.
Okay, that's the listening, everyone. So I hope that you listen to that carefully, and then I would like to replay. And after we listen to this recording, after we listen to this kind of lesson twice, so I want you, each of you, to just read all this one just for once, yeah, just to make sure that you listen carefully and then you feel sure about all this kind of words. Jadi khawatir ada some pronunciations that you got mispronounced word, for example, so you can get it right. Jadi bisa melatih pronunciation-nya juga ya untuk listening-nya and of course the understanding too. Okay. So after this listening, again, I would like to replay. Saya putarkan sekali lagi, and then after that, I want you to read once ya. Jadi satu-satu nanti dibaca from the introduction until this one. Okay, is it clear enough? So yeah, I will replay, and hopefully you can listen to that carefully.
Introductions. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for G&T Limited as a systems engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junichiro Sekiguchi. I work for Giant Corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I am from Osaka, Japan.
Okay, cool. So that's the listening one, yeah? So is it enough for you guys, or you just need to listen to this one again, or just okay? Good?
Miss,
Sorry?
I get confused how to pronounce pits.
Oh, yeah.
the-
Pits, how do I pronounce that one? Is that perishable, I guess. Let's listen to that again, yeah? Because that's, I guess, not the, what is that, like the way we try to write it down. Jadi harusnya tulisannya perishable. Coba kita cobain perishable. Just to listen to it again, yeah? Thank you, Ms. Puput, for asking the question. Just to make sure, kita coba perishable.
Introductions. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for G&T Limited as a systems engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. It's nice to
Approachable ya. Jadi kayak approachable. I'm from Portugal. Coba listen to that again. Approachable.
am from Portugal.
Approachable.
It's nice to meet you, Robert.
Coba. Hang on.
Portugal.
Oh, sorry. Itu harusnya ini ya, teman-teman. Pitch ini maksudnya adalah Portugal. Kita kalau dengerin di recordingnya. Portugal. Ini yang ini, sorry. I would like to highlight. I am from ini. Ini Portugal maksudnya ya. Jadi kayak tadi kan, oh this one, which one is that? Like our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office in Germany. My office is in Germany, but I'm from Portugal. Portugal, dari Portugal. Ya, jadi pitch-nya kita ganti dengan Portugal gitu ya. I'm from Portugal. So let's listen to that again. Hang on. Oh, give me some second, everyone.
Yeah. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junichiro Sekiguchi. I work for Giant Corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I am from Osaka, Japan.
Okay, that's everyone. So if I should make sure again. So this one, but I am, oh, which one is the, oh, this one. But I am from Germany, and then, sorry, my office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. Ini P-nya mungkin Mr. Boy itu keseleo yang nulisnya. Jadi kayak I'm from Portugal, dari Portugal, kemudian it's nice to meet you, Robert, kayak gitu ya. So that's everyone. So now let's get into the practice. Yeah, I want you to just read all this one with the, what is that, like the same pronunciation that I hope that you can, what is that, like you can read this one well without any problems, okay? So maybe I would like to start with Miss Era. Is that okay? Can you read this one?
Okay.
Okay, please, time is
From
yours.
the text or from the introduction sentence.
From the introduction part, this one at the very first line, please.
Introduction at conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Robert, hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for G&T Limited as a system engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office in Germany, but I'm from Portugal. Nice to meet you, Robert. Junichiro. My name is Junichiro Sekiguchi. I work from Giant Corporation as a marketing manager. We are American company with office in North and South America. Our head office in New York. My office is in Houston, but I'm from Osaka, Japan.
Okay, all right, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Era. I appreciate that. Well done, good job. So yeah, that's from Miss Era, yeah. So the next one from Miss Siha, can you please read like Miss Erin?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Introduction. At the conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Hello, my name is Robert Kashiresh. I work for GNT Limited as a system engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I'm from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junashiro Segiguchi. I work for a giant corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I'm from Osaka, Japan. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Siha. I appreciate that. Well done. You read it really carefully. All right, so Miss Puput, now it's your turn, please.
Okay. Introduction. Introduction. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Robert. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for GNT Limited as a system engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I'm from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. Junashiro. My name is Junashiro Sekiguchi. I work for a giant corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I'm from Osaka, Japan.
All right, thank you, Miss Puput. Well done. It's really good. Yeah, how the way you read the whole sentences, the whole paragraph, and the last one. Can I please have Miss Cinta?
Okay, Miss, thank you. I will try, but sorry if it's wrong.
And it's okay, it's okay. Give it a try. Kita coba. Please.
Introduction. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Robert. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for GNT Limited as a system engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office in Germany, but I'm from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junashiro Sekiguchi. I work for a giant corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I'm from Osaka, Japan.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Cinta. Well done.
Thank
Good job, good
you,
job.
Miss.
Yes, all right. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for reading all this greeting and also introduction. You did it really correct, yeah. Even there are some, like some feedbacks regarding the way you pronounce that one. So what is that? Like engineer, yeah, engineer, engineer. Some of you say engineer. We can say we can try to listen to that again. Engineer, yeah. So the way we pronounce that one, and then this one Houston, yeah. Jadi kalau baca langsung kan Houston kayak gitu. So Houston. So remember everyone, we will try to listen to this one again one more time. But for each of you, please pay attention into the pronunciation, also the intonation, yeah. Because in speaking English, sometimes we don't need to just know the vocabulary, but we have to know about the intonation when we speak English, okay? Because sometimes some words will have different stress. Jadi penekanan kata terkadang dalam bahasa Inggris itu beda kayak gitu teman-teman ya. Jadi nggak flat aja kayak gitu. Speaking kita kan yang membedakan dengan yang lain itu how do we communicate of course with the good intonation. Kalau ngomong kan di bahasa Indonesia kita juga nggak datar-datar aja kan ya. Makanya coba kita dengerin sekali lagi. We will try to listen to this one more time and pay attention into each of the words, the pronunciation, also the intonation. Because some of you read it carefully. I mean, read it really well. Udah bagus banget, really good ya. But still at some points ada 1-2 yang tadi office harusnya offices lupa gitu ya. Jadi misalkan yang pertama tadi ada beberapa yang baca offices itu plural yang ini ya, yang kayak we are an American company with offices. Jadi with office doang kayak gitu. Jadi penting untuk memperhatikan hal kecil S-nya gitu ya. And then again the intonation like the thing that I also like, berang, tadi itu juga bagus. Jadi misalkan ada yang kayaknya Miss Cinta tadi atau Miss Puput tadi saya lupa. Jadi yang ada, you know what, try to connect one word to another word because that's how the way we read correctly, actually, like the correct pronunciation. Jadi agar pronunciation kita itu lebih bagus juga, misalkan ada yang seperti ini, kita gabungkan aja, berang, kayak kita itu juga bagus, kayak gitu. My name is, itu juga bisa, berang from Osaka, Japan, thank you. Introduction ya, kita coba dengerin lagi sambil teman-teman boleh mimicking. Mimicking itu meniru, maksudnya kayak apa yang dia omongin si bulenya from the recording, you can try to read at the same time kayak gitu, just to make sure whether we read really correctly, sudah betul, atau ada beberapa kosakata yang ternyata kita masih medok gitu, atau kita masih kayak medok nggak apa-apa sebenarnya gitu ya, no problem at all karena kita punya aksen tersendiri, tapi paling tidak the way we imitate the native itu quite similar. Jadi untuk improve our intonation, pronunciation, and fluency juga. Kita dengerin sekali lagi sambil kalau teman-teman mau ngomong sendiri gitu ya, tapi usahakan say it loud. Say it loud. Jadi jangan cuma membatin dalam hati, tapi you need to say it loud to help you to pay attention again to each of the pronunciation and also the intonation from the speakers, because it's really important. Again, speaking is not only about saying the word, but also like playing with the intonation, playing with the tone of the speaking too. Okay, I would like to play one more time and then we will move to the next section after this. Okay, so give me some second.
Introductions. At a conference, Robert and Junichiro are meeting for the first time. They introduce themselves and give a little information about their companies. Hello, my name is Robert Caceres. I work for G&T Limited as a systems engineer. We are a Brazilian company with offices in South America, Europe, and Asia. Our head office is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. My office is in Germany, but I am from Portugal. It's nice to meet you, Robert. My name is Junichiro Sekiguchi. I work for Giant Corporation as a marketing manager. We are an American company with offices in North and South America. Our head office is in New York. My office is in Houston, but I am from Osaka, Japan.
Okay, all right, that's all everyone. Thank you so much anyway. I hope that you can try to re-listen to that one and then try to pay more attention into some words that maybe you feel doubt about it. Yang khawatir, yang misalkan you feel doubt, itu bisa dengerin lagi gitu ya. But well done, that's for the listening section everyone. Appreciate that, thank you so much. And we will try to move to some of phrases for the introduction. So here we go, like for the phrases in introduction, I believe that you are familiar enough with some of these phrases, yeah, for introduction, because your English is pretty cool already, everyone, but just want to give you a little bit reminder, just want to give you a little bit review about some of these phrases of the introduction, because sometimes we just focus on using one phrase for our introduction to other people, but it's also important to know variety of the phrases, yeah, to introduce ourselves to other people, because we will never know about what kind of phrases the other people will use when they introduce themselves to us. That's why we need to learn some of these phrases, okay? So for beginning of introduction, we can say just hello, how is it going? Yeah, that's actually the same, just for, you know, like a chit chat at the very first time. Like, what's your name? What's your name? Or we can say like, oh, let me introduce myself. I like to introduce Sarah, for example, ya. Or have we met before? Jadi kayak sok kenal, kayaknya pernah ketemu, kayak iya gitu ya. Jadi have we met before? Or maybe, oh, how are things? Or how's life? Yeah. Oh, how have you been? So these are, yeah, for the beginning of the introduction. And then we can continue our introduction by trying to, you know, like giving another phrase, yeah. Like, for example, oh, what do you do now in your workplace? What are you doing, for example? Or we can say, oh, where do you work? If you are at the same position or at the same workplace, so maybe you can share about each other duties, ya, tentang salah satu pekerjaannya in specific aspects. For example, what brings you here? Or maybe, oh, where are you from? How old are you, if it is possible, yeah? Because sometimes asking about age is sometimes what is the, like, kind of privacy thing. But if you feel okay to ask about that one, or maybe if you are okay to be asked about your age, so that's okay. That's okay. It depends, actually. And then what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun is the same thing as asking about hobbies. What is your hobby, for example, ya? Jadi sama dengan menanyakan apa hobinya. Ini bisa kita ganti dengan, oh, what do you do for fun? Oh, I love traveling. I love cooking, for example. Oh, what kind of cooking? What kind of food that you cook? Jadi bisa di follow up dengan pertanyaan-pertanyaan lain untuk menambah what is that, like, intensitas komunikasinya. What kind of hobbies do you have, for example, yeah? So you can have this kind of questions. And then to end the introduction, like we did last time, beberapa kita sudah tadi mempraktekkan, oh yeah, it's nice to meet you, for example. It was nice meeting you, atau let's keep in touch. Let's get together again sometime. Or let's go for coffee sometime. Or maybe, oh, do you want to meet up? Or sorry, do you want to meet up again sometime next week? Or you can say, if you want to part each other, kalau sudah mau pisah, bisa bilang, oh, take care, I have to see you soon, or it has been a pleasure. Bukan pleasure ya, tapi bacanya pleasure. Pleasure itu ya sebuah kehormatan, sebuah kesenangan gitu ya, senang ketemu denganmu, sama seperti itu. It has been a pleasure, we'll speak again soon. Atau we'll see each other soon, itu juga bisa gitu ya. So this for some phrases again, as you try to introduce yourself to me and also me introduce myself to you last time. You did it actually, but let's try to do it again, yeah, with different kind of question, with different of topics. So I want to put you into breakout room. Ya, kebetulan ada 4 orang, jadi akan saya pecah ke breakout room. Meskipun cuma 5 menit ya, nggak apa, karena kita limited time. Jadi 5 menit akan saya taruh di breakout room. So I want you to just speak with your partner in breakout room and asking about this question. Jadi boleh menggunakan ini di screenshot, atau teman-teman kan sudah punya modulnya. Jadi silahkan dipilih satu kata di beginning of introduction, and then continue the introduction, and then ending up the introduction. Ini hanya untuk guideline. If you want to ask some other questions, it's okay. Jadi misalkan ditanya tentang hobi, what kind of hobbies do you have? Oh, I have this kind of hobby, dikasih tahu. Dan jangan lupa untuk menanyakan balik, oh, what about you? Jadi jangan satu arah ya, komunikasi kan 2 arah. So kalau sudah ditanya sama temannya, tanya balik, and what about you? Can you please tell me about what do you do for fun, atau oh, where are you from, atau misalkan what kind of activity that you do, dan seterusnya gitu ya. Kemudian nanti kalau sudah selesai, tidak ada yang mau diomongin, ditutup dengan ending the introduction. Oh, yeah, okay, it's nice to have a chat with you, for example, it's nice to talk to you, kayak gitu tuh bisa juga ya. So that's for the phrases ya, just for review, itu untuk review. Is that clear enough, or do you have some questions, everyone? Ada yang ditanyakan dulu dari teman-teman? Pretty clear? Clear, if it is clear, I guess itu ya. Jadi kalau clear, no question, Okay, if there is no question, then I would like to move to oh, hang on, everyone. Okay, I will put you into breakout room and let's try to have a speaking practice even just for 5 minutes. Kita praktek speakingnya, I will give you time for 5 minutes ya, 3 sampai 4 menit untuk ngobrol dan ya ngobrol aja. Jadi kayak bisa dimulai terserah teman-teman, yang penting kayak dimulai dari introduction seperti yang tadi gitu ya, kemudian ngobrol-ngobrol masalah hobi, kegiatan yang suka dilakukan dan seterusnya. Okay, so ya, silahkan join breakout room-nya teman-teman ya. Saya sudah assign. Silahkan join breakout room-nya. Silahkan Miss Siha, silahkan join. Miss Puput, Miss Sinta. Okay, good. Miss Sinta, are you there? Oh, sorry, Miss Cinta, bukan Miss. Okay, you can try to join the. Okay, good. Silahkan. Okay, thank you for coming back to the main room. So I would like to ask, yeah, all of them to just coming back. I support as Miss Cinta because they are still enjoying the conversation. But anyway, thank you for having the very nice conversation, Miss Era and also Miss Iha. Yeah, I love listening to your conversation. It's very interactive. Very nice. Okay. What were you talking about except hobby and other things? Because I was trying to reach out another breakout room. So what was that?
We're talking about our hobbies and our favorite food. And yeah, just like that.
Okay, cool. Okay. Did you have really interesting conversation with Miss Era?
Yeah. So Miss Era doesn't like kikil. So that's the interesting.
Really? Oh, okay. What about you? You like it?
Nah.
No. The same.
Yeah.
So dislike that. Oh, why? Why you dislike it? Both of you, Miss Era and also Miss Iha. Why you dislike Kikil?
I don't like about the smell and the texture
The texture, yeah. Okay.
and smell.
Smell, smell bad for you.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So if you don't like kikil, what is your favorite food then?
Mm, everything.
Oh, except
Like,
kikil.
yeah.
Okay, not a picky eater then. All right, cool.
Yeah. I'm not the picky one. I'm not the picky one.
Not the picky one. That's really cool. All right. So, well, thank you, Miss Era. Thank you, Miss Iha. Thank you also, Miss Puput and Miss Cinta for having the very, very nice conversation, I guess, in the breakout room. Yeah, I appreciate that. So again, I love how the way you have, the communication, like the conversation, you really lift up the communication in the breakout room, because that's the thing that you have to do in the breakout room. Yeah, maybe at the very first time you feel a bit shy because you feel confused about to start the conversation, but at the end of the day, after you start the conversation, it feels just so good, to just communicate and then ask to other people, asking to your partner about anything, I guess. And that's pretty cool. I hope that you enjoy. Sorry. Want to say something, Miss Era or others? Okay, cool. All right. So, well, everyone, thank you so much. Anyway, for the class, yeah. So you did a very good job. So I have the feedback for general is very, very good. For Miss, let's say Miss Era, I love how the way you have a good pronunciation in your English, yeah. Really, really, really good pronunciation. And others also have a good pronunciation. But let's say you have a different way of pronouncing some words, yeah. Which for Miss Era, I guess you can try to keep up with that kind of things, yeah, dipertahankan, and even you can improve it better, yeah. So maybe the next one, because this is just introduction, so I don't listen to many of the conversation, but so far so good, ya. Jadi untuk Miss Era, pertahankan good pronunciation-nya. Untuk Miss Siha, the way you communicate also bagus ya, interaktif. So in terms of building a good communication, itu juga dipertahankan, bagus banget kayak gitu. Kemudian untuk Miss Puput sama Miss Cinta, sudah bagus ya. Jadi saya tadi I listen to the conversation and the conversation runs really well. Ada beberapa tadi yang masih harus diperbaiki. Jadi ada beberapa teman-teman tadi bilang, do you still working in the night? Kayak gitu ya. Do you still working in the night? Jadi do you still working itu kurang bagus. Maksudnya secara grammar itu kurang tepat ya. Jadi harusnya lebih baik teman-teman bilang, are you still working? Kayak gitu ya. Atau do you still work? Boleh pilih salah satu. Kayak gitu. Tapi kalau konteksnya sekarang sedang kerja malam, tapi kan sekarang kita kelas ya, kayak gitu. Jadi bagusnya memang, do you still work at night? Jadi kalau misalkan night itu lebih bagusnya at night, in the night itu juga bisa, tapi kurang common ya. Jadi lebih kepada at night kayak gitu. Gitu. Itu salah satunya yang mungkin bisa jadi masukan untuk teman-teman semuanya. Kemudian, again, in terms of communication, Jadi biar kita nggak ditanya banyak, itu skill yang saya pakai kadang dalam communication ya. Kita suka ditanya, kita suka ngobrol. Tapi kalau misalkan dalam komunikasi kelas kita, jadi harus balance. Kita nanya, kita juga harus ditanya gitu teman-teman. Ini untuk kedepannya, agar komunikasinya dan teman-teman bisa improve listening skill-nya sama speaking-nya. Jadi kalau teman-teman itu fokus di menjawab pertanyaan, jadi nanti nggak ada kesempatan untuk mendengarkan lawan bicara. Artinya listening skill-nya kurang diasah. Jadi makanya nanti kalau misalkan for the next one, karena ini masih pertama, jadi wajar karena kita cuma punya sekitar 3 menit, 5 menit, it's quite short. Tapi for the next meeting, itu akan ada banyak latihan. Jadi teman-teman kalau udah diberi room, be active in asking and answering the question. Like communicating, ya. If you have been asked something, if you are being asked something, for example, so don't forget to also ask something. Jadi jangan lupa nanti kalau ditanya, and what about you, for example. Jadi kalau kita bingung nanya apa, langsung aja putar balik. Oh, what about you? What is your hobby, for example? Oh, what about you? What food do you like? Gitu. Jadi biar balance ya. Jadi harus equal. Itu yang saya mau di kelas kita. Jadi tidak kita yang ditanya terus, tidak kita juga yang nanya terus. Jadi kayak, again, communication is two ways. Jadi dua arah. Jadi kalau udah conversation, so I hope that you enjoy the conversation while also practicing speaking skill and also listening skill, listening other people's point of view and opinion for sure. Ya, but overall bagus. Jadi Miss Puput juga udah bagus ya pronunciation-nya. Meskipun agak kaku, tapi nggak apa-apa. Kita improve karena lagi-lagi kita punya level English sendiri, nggak usah compare dengan yang lain, compare dengan diri kita sendiri gitu ya. Miss Cinta juga masih agak sedikit malu-malu, tapi nggak apa-apa, wajar gitu ya. Masih agak kurang pede rasanya, tapi nggak apa-apa, itu wajar banget dan kita nanti akan improve bareng-bareng ya. Jadi kelas ke depan harus bisa teman-teman encourage each other to speak English confidently kayak gitu, karena nggak semua orang itu punya tingkat, artinya level confidence yang bagus, jadi harus level up together gitu ya. Jadi harus we try to improve our speaking together, not only ourselves, because we're in a group, we're in a class. So I hope that you can help each other to improve the speaking skill, not only speaking but English in general for sure. Yeah. So I guess that's it, everyone. I'm sorry to take much of your time. Ini udah lewat, tapi nggak apa. Semoga the first meeting, I hope that you like our first meeting, and hopefully that we can have the next class with more enjoyable vibes, yeah, of learning English for sure. And again, if you have any suggestion, any feedback regarding how the way our class will run, just feel free. Kalau ada saran, masukan, Miss nanti kayak gini aja deh, kayak gitu, boleh dengan senang hati. Kita apa ya, atur kelas kita semenarik mungkin kayak gitu. I will try to provide, but again, I'm open to any feedbacks and suggestions that you will give, yeah, to our class for sure. Yeah, so that's it for me. Any questions before we end the meeting? Ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu atau everything is just clear so far, everyone? Good? Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear. All right. Thank you so much, Era. So if everything is clear, I guess that's it for our meeting today, yeah, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to the class. Thank you so much for learning together. I know that you are tired maybe, but I appreciate because you try to spend your time to be here to study together to improve your English skill. Harus apresiasi diri sendiri ya karena sudah melakukan hal baik kayak gitu ya. Jadi you did a very good job. I appreciate that. Thank you for doing good. Yeah, thank you so much. And we will see each other again insya Allah next week. Kita ketemu lagi di sesuai schedule yang Mr. Boy kasih ya. Jadi Senin, Rabu, sama Jumatnya. Okay? Thank you for today, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. So see you next week. Okay? Bye for now. Let me close the class then. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
Miss. See you.
See you.
Bye, everyone.